Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install apps from unknown sources on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So first of all, we need to go to the settings, then we need to scroll down and go to security and privacy. Over here, scroll down and go to more security and privacy, special permissions, and then over here you should be able to find install unknown apps. And if you go over here, you will find all apps that you have installed on your device. So these will be the sources and or apps that we use in order to download and install. So let's say if you have been trying to download an app from Google Chrome and then you try to install it, but you get the message, then you want to choose Chrome, of course, and then you have allow from this source. Over here you will see the information about the danger, that of course it is a highly sensitive permission. If you grant this permission, your private information might be leaked and your property might be at risk. So of course, choose which apps you want to install carefully. So you want to select that you are aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily, and let's press OK. And now we can install apps from unknown sources if you use, for this example, Google Chrome. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!